The air humidity is usually extremely high during thunderstorms to ensure the safe operation of electrical equipment. CNLONQ launches professional waterproof boxes. The product adopts a PC plus ABS housing with a flame retardant rating of all 94 VO. It features IP65 protection grade and an impact resistance rating of IK10. Fits standard 35mm DIN rail. Every unit is 100% factory tested before delivery. CNLONQ leads China in custom PV protection equipment. We also offer PV customization and R&D support to integrators, EPCs, and investors. Our products are globally certified and fully compliant. High quality, fast delivery, and reliability drive our worldwide sales.